Hi guys, welcome back to video number 4 of our 20 short videos about the English language, making it as simple and as easy as possible. Last time we talked about adjectives. Today we're going to talk about adverbs. So, what is an adverb? Adjectives describe nouns. Adverbs describe almost everything else. Adverbs usually describe verbs. They tell us how something happens. For example, he runs quickly. Quickly is the adverb. It describes how he runs. More examples. Slowly, carefully, quietly, badly, beautifully. Now compare these. She is a careful driver. She drives carefully. Careful is the adjective. Carefully is the adverb. Adverbs can also describe time, frequency and degree. For example, now, always, sometimes, very, almost. Let's look at some full sentences. He speaks English fluently. The baby slept peacefully. She answered the question confidently. Now let's practice together. Which word is the adverb? They arrived early. Well done. The adverb is early. Let's do another one. The students worked hard. Awesome. The adverb is hard. And notice something interesting? Not all adverbs end in ly. For example, fast, hard, late, straight. That surprises many learners. And if you want to know more about how to form adverbs, I have a whole video on it. Check back in my library. Every one of these 20 videos that are short, 20 short videos that I'm making has a full-length video somewhere in my library. So just click and go and have a look. If there isn't one there and you want me to make you one, just comment down below. I'll make a video specifically for you. So, in summary, adverbs add movement and detail to your English. So click the like button, comment, share with somebody who needs to learn English, and I will see you guys in video 5.